show you how to make these beautiful scrunchies at your home. I own the Gucci hairband for a long time. I don't know how to wear it and I have a big head. It's very uncomfortable for me to wear it every day. So I decided to turn this hairband into a hair scrunchies so I can wear it every day. You don't have to have a Gucci hairband at your home. You can turn any of your t-shirt or dress into these beautiful hair scrunchies. Now it's time to show you how to make these hair scrunchies at your home. Let's go.
Today I'm going to show you how to make hair scrunchies at your home. I turned my hairband, so I am trying to get the fabric from my Gucci hairband. You need to cut 9-inch long elaster and the other size 2 sides of fabric. So I use a chalk mark on my fabric so I can easy to know how large the size and how to cut it. I just twist the mark and to cut the fabric. Then you need to fold the very wide one and then cut the curve on the very wide one. So this one is going to be your bow on the hair scrunchies. Now it's time to sew. I place the print paper under the fabric, which can prevent from the very light fabric stuck in the sewing machine. You don't have to do that if your fabric is thick enough. Just some trick when you sew very light fabric. I finished this, so I'm going to turn the inside out. I use my pen to help me to turn the inside out. You can use any type of a tool which you feel comfortable to turn the inside out, it doesn't matter. Once you turn the inside out, I tie the knot to make us scrunchies. So you need to hide the fabric and fold the fabric in each the end of the little tube and overlap it and sew through the overlap. I'm going to show you more detail here how I fold it and overlap it. That's how. So I finished the little tube. Now I'm going to sew the bow one. I didn't cut it very well. You just trim it and make sure you leave a little hole in the middle. So first I sew this from the top and to the bottom to the middle. Sorry, to the middle. You want to make sure it's open in the middle. So we can use that little hole to turn the fabric inside out. So you can see there is a middle hole, so I'm turning the inside out again. Then it's going to turn the bow. I'm so excited. What's going to be look like? Yeah. And yeah, do the same thing again. Fold the fabric and fold it again, and then sew again. Sew on the overlap fabric. So I finish the bow and I tie one knot again and tie it again. It's going to be a bow. Yeah!
Again. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This video is my first YouTube video, and for the next video I'm going to show you how to make the feather crop top. If you like it, please subscribe me. You will see more and more beautiful creative ideas which can inspire from your normal life and make it wear it, enjoy it.